what it covers: clarity, communication clarity, ability to influence, listening skill, managing the boss, managing up, cross-functional coordination. Madali kang katrabaho. So why the companies value it? Reduce errors, rework and misalignment, and speeds up decision making. So meron ka ba niyan? No? So anong success indicator? Gusto ng mga tao ikaw yung nagli-lead ng meeting. Communicates clearly in meetings, updates, and reports. No? Yung pang-apat is execution and accountability. Anong coverage? KPI delivery. Okay? Sobrang importante nito kasi pag nag-i-interview ako ng manager, ang lagi kong tinatanong, what are your key achievements from your previous employment? Yan yung paborito kong tanong. Alam ko pag walang achievement yung tao. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ang dinidescribe yung JD, yung job description. Alam mo, pag tinanong ko, Lenny, ano ang achievement mo from your previous employment? Sasabihin niyo, ito po yung ginagawa ko sa previous employment ko. Gumagawa ako ng plano, nag-i-schedule ako. Kasi pag sinabing achievement, ang pinag-uusapan is I'm able to consistently exceed my department's target. No?